Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chris May, Realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty, and welcome to a beautiful windy spring day here in Georgia. Me and you are both just going to have to accept the fact that the wind's going to be messing with my microphone and my hair this whole time, I'm sure. If my hair stands up enough, I'll let you know if I'm picking up any AM radio stations. Oh wait, is that the Braves game? No. Oh well, shoot. Anyway, the show must go on. So today I'm back in the Sun City Peachtree, which is a Del Webb active adult community here in my hometown of Griffin, Georgia. It's got tennis, indoor and outdoor swimming, plenty of pickleball, and an absolute plethora of other amenities and activities, all of which I'm going to show you after I give you a tour of my latest listing. So let's go take a look. And here she is. Welcome to 108 Marigold Court. This home is a large ranch known as the Dunwoody Way, with 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and over 2,700 square feet of living space. It's an extremely open floor plan, really built for entertaining. The stunning chef's kitchen with gas cooktop and bar seating at the center island overlooks the main living space with real hardwood floors. My seller's investments and upgrades include a $15,000 addition of plantation shutters, additional cabinetry with granite top in the laundry space with a utility sink. Both owner's suite and hall closet received custom shelving. The built-in shelves framing the fireplace were added, beautiful tile backsplash, the porch was screened in, and the back patio was expanded with stone walls providing additional seating. There's a 2-car garage plus a 3rd garage for a golf cart. The home sits on this double cul-de-sac street with no through traffic, so it keeps it nice and quiet. Enjoy your tour, but don't forget, stick around afterwards and I'll show you around Sun City and all it has to offer. So how'd you like that? Beautiful home, right? Now I want to give you a brief overview of Sun City. Sun City is a Del Webb 55 and up community with a broad base of amenities which include an 18-hole golf course designed by Gary Stevens, which offers large bent grass greens, generous fairways, and plenty of beautiful vistas. The clubhouse offers dining facilities to accommodate up to 150 guests, and it's even got takeout service. The social heart of Sun City is the 45,000 square foot Club Peachtree amenity complex. Inside, you will find a 2-story fitness center with indoor track as well as a heated indoor and outdoor lap pool. With a full-time lifestyle director helping you find which of the 60 clubs and interest groups will keep you occupied, you'll never be bored. The outdoor portion of the pool is absolutely huge. There's also a tennis complex with 5 courts along with basketball and bocce ball courts. To accommodate the growing demand for pickleball, those courts are also expanded. Elsewhere in the community, you're going to find grandchildren's playground, dog park, beautiful walking trails, and even a softball park. The Wellstar Spalding Medical Center is only 7 miles away. This town of Griffin has got so much to offer with shopping, dining, and entertainment. I'll never get to it all, but you'll notice that all the typical chain stores and restaurants are here. If you haven't heard, pickleball is fast growing. If you're into that, the Spalding County Olympic Park with 18 more courts is ready for you, and it's only 10 minutes away. Also a short drive away is the Cherokee Rose Sport Shooting Club. Griffin is always having different entertainment events throughout the year, such as small intimate concerts. Sometimes they even close city streets for weekend car shows. You'll enjoy local farmers markets as well. The local airport even has food truck fly-ins, allowing you to get up close and personal with little small planes and even get a ride here and there. The local fairgrounds often have carnivals coming through. Come dancing at Tipsy Daisy. There's no shortage of small locally owned shopping options, anything from candles, several antique stores, plenty of options for home goods, fashion, and more. Lots of locally owned unique restaurants to try. My favorite is Murphy's with its authentic Mexican and American fusion breakfast and lunch menu. If you're a motorhead like me, the Atlanta Motor Speedway is only 15 minutes away for a good NASCAR race, but it also holds other events throughout the year like the massive Georgia State Fair. So I've just barely scratched the surface on what this area's got to offer. Are you ready to come see everything in person? If you've got questions or you'd like to receive the support documents of this home, please feel free to give me a call at 404-803-4669 or email me at chris.may@cbrealty.com. Have you got a home to sell? I'd love to hear from you as well. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About Me button for more information and my past client reviews. My listings have always received professional photos. They're put in 2 local multiple listing services, which give my listings an above average exposure to the market. I've got unique ways to determine the very accurate values of my listings. Plus, I always include an HD video just like this one. I'm a full-time agent of over 10 years with excellent negotiation and contract expertise, and I'd love a chance to interview to be your realtor too. Until next time, I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.